Gus is asking for the rarest bid in the game, and so far his truck isn't getting filled up.
I'm here to get ice bits from the ice cave.
I'm going to farm ice over and over again to see if I can fill up the give and get truck.
I think this is the only place you can get ice from. So I'll start off by collecting 50 ice. I just gotta get to the ice. I assume it's only in Mount Snow. What if they had like a Mount Volcano? And you could only get fire from Mount Volcano. That'd be pretty cool. For all of Kart Kingdom, there have only been 4 areas. No! Okay, I need to go up and above. No! Okay. Up above the world so high, like a diamond. Trying to get ice. Let me up, yes. Or I could go down to get more ice. 1 ice. 2 ice. No, no, no. Ah, shucks. Now I know how to go through here faster. Can you wait for this guy to get out of my way? I'll get... Oh no. And puffin'. So 4 ice. So if I do this right, I can get 4 ice off 1 jetpack. Okay, I'm iced up. Watch this channel on May 31st. I'm gonna have a video where I do all of the quests of Mount Snow at once. Oh, I thought that was a safe bird. We live in a low-trust society. Everyone's trying to take your gadgets. And I don't want my gadgets to be taken away. And do I have 10 bits now? 10 bits? Okay.
I'm going to come back when I have 50 bits, and I'm going to give them all away to Gus. I'm glad the work got done. Now let's see if I can make a difference. I'm going to keep an eye that the give and get truck is right below the 5th tick mark. Like 1 pixel below it. Bare minimum, I want to see it go past the 5th tick mark. Wow, that's way more than I thought it would go up. Now the balloon's moving. Now it's at tick mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The give and get truck has a tiny capacity. We saw the balloon get bigger. What would that look like to other players in the server? I've got more ice on another account, 60 this time. And I'm going to try to get a better view.
I'm gonna get the other screen recording.
We're going to get 2 angles of it.
Someone on the blog told me that the capacity is 250 ice. So this will fill up exactly 24% of the balloon. Here we go. Well, it wasn't as responsive. I couldn't see the balloon grow on the other account. I gave him all of my ice on both accounts. Do you have ice?
I used to.